Do you ever wonder about the hidden hoops and hurdles behind everyday digital transactions? Like, when you're about to snag that sweet discount with FavePay, and you see that familiar DuitNow QR code pop up, does a little voice in your head whisper, "Wait, do I actually need to register for DuitNow just to use this?" It's a surprisingly common question, and one that often gets tangled in the web of digital payment systems. We're so used to seamless taps and scans, but beneath the surface, there are layers of infrastructure and agreements that make it all possible. Think about it. You are using FavePay, a popular e-wallet and loyalty platform, but the payment gateway itself is often powered by DuitNow, Malaysia's national real-time payment network. It's like using an app on your phone. You interact with the app, but the phone's operating system is doing all the heavy lifting in the background. This is where the confusion often stems from. Many assume that because DuitNow is involved, they need to have an active DuitNow ID or account themselves. And it's a fair assumption, especially when you consider how other payment systems work. For instance, to send money directly via DuitNow, you absolutely need to be registered and have a DuitNow ID linked to your bank account or mobile number. But what about receiving payments, or in this case, making a payment to a merchant who accepts DuitNow QR? Let's break it down. When a merchant displays a DuitNow QR code for payment, they are the ones who have registered with DuitNow through their acquiring bank or payment service provider. This registration allows them to generate and accept payments via the DuitNow network. From your perspective as a customer using FavePay, you're not directly interacting with DuitNow as a separate entity. Instead, FavePay acts as your intermediary. When you scan a DuitNow QR code using your FavePay app, FavePay processes the transaction. It essentially sends a request through its own system, which then communicates with the DuitNow network to facilitate the transfer of funds from your FavePay wallet or linked card to the merchant's DuitNow registered account. You are, in essence, a consumer initiating a payment, not a participant needing a direct DuitNow registration. So, to answer the burning question, no, you do not need to register with DuitNow in order to use a FavePay DuitNow QR. Your FavePay account is all you need on your end. The merchant is the one who has taken care of the DuitNow registration on their side, enabling them to accept payments through that channel. It's a bit like driving on a public road. You don't need to be part of the road construction team to use it, just a licensed driver. Your FavePay app is your license to transact. This streamlined process is designed for user convenience, allowing you to seamlessly pay at a wide range of merchants without needing multiple registrations. It's all about interoperability and making digital payments as frictionless as possible for the end user. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.